Boys and girls, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with today's fun cocktail. And I don't know if you can hear, but let me turn off this stuff. One of the coolest things that I actually, production behind that camera did for the new lift up, that's how you call it, production? A face up?
Oh, facelift.
Facelift. It was somewhere around that thing. Is to buy this little guy. So this is the Ninja, and basically it works for everything. But one of the coolest things that I love with this is to make this really cool dehydrated limes or lemons or any kind of stuff that you actually come across with it for your decorations. And today we're gonna be showing you how to make La Piñata, one of the best cocktails in my work at this moment. And I happen to have a really cool batch right here for a future party that I'm throwing up. So please stay here with me. Let me show you how to pour this guy. Another chotito. 90 degrees in San Diego, 90% humidity, and the only thing that a lot of people think about on Friday, which is today, is to have a cocktail. Well, in my case, no. In my case, I was actually prepping a lot of stuff for a really nice party that I'm gonna be hosting tomorrow. And well, I'm gonna be attending, I'm sorry. And one of the suggestions was to make La Piñata. So throughout the channel, I've been making a lot of cocktails that are like really easy to make, but this one actually has a little bit more work. And honestly, it totally worth it. So check this out, you guys. The first thing that you're gonna be working is in grilled pineapples. So you're gonna be grilling approximately like one full pineapple in your grill, and you're gonna leave it until it gets a little bit charred, and then you're gonna cover it up with a decent amount of cinnamon. Once you have that, you're gonna be working on your tequila. So your bottle of tequila is gonna be spiced with around 3 to 4 serranos, according with your taste, or according how mean those guys are that day. Sometimes, you know, the serranos, you never know how spicy they're gonna be. So I suggest you to start with 2. If you don't reach the spiciness that you want in your tequila, then add 1 more. And then if you need another one, then add a 4th one. Once you have that, you're gonna liquefy the tequila spice already. Obviously strain it, remove all the seeds. You're gonna liquefy the tequila with the cinnamon, and you're gonna add 1 quart of mezcal. This is gonna be the catalyst that is gonna bring a really good flavor and smokiness to your cocktail. You have that, then you just have to mix everything up. And let me show you how we're gonna be doing it. Your piñata. The product is gonna end up like this, really dark, but with a really nice, strong smell of pineapple. And you wanna go for 2 ounces. One ounce of fresh lime juice. My God, can you tell that it's 90 degrees outside? Woo! Agave Nectar. Half of an ounce. And let's add some ice. Let's give it a good shake. So I have a really nice glass. Heavy coat of salt in one side. Let's put some ice. Strain. And for your decoration, pineapple leaf, dehydrated lime, and we're gonna finalize with your straw. All right, there you have it, you guys. La Piñata, a really nice combination with a spicy tequila, pineapple, cinnamon, and a little bit of mezcal. Make sure you use a brass. See you next time.